we will guide you through how to make flowchart on Miro. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, turn on your computer and connect to a stable internet connection before starting the process. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Miro website. Sign into your Miro account using your preferred login method. Then wait for the Miro dashboard or workspace to load completely. Once the dashboard is ready, open the Miro board where you want to create the flowchart. Wait for the selected board to finish loading so that all available tools and existing content appear correctly. Locate the Templates option on the Miro toolbar. Click Templates to open the available template library and explore the different layouts that Miro provides. Use the search bar to search for a flowchart template. Enter the appropriate keyword and wait for the available flowchart templates to appear. Browse the available flowchart templates and choose one that fits your needs. Consider the number of steps, decisions, and outcomes you need to include before selecting a suitable design. Click the selected template to preview its layout and structure. Review the preview carefully to make sure the arrangement matches the process you want to explain. Select Use Template or the corresponding option to add it to your board. Wait for the flowchart template to appear on your Miro canvas and allow all its elements to load completely. Once the template is visible, click the existing text fields and replace the sample information with your own content. Enter clear descriptions for each process, decision, action, or outcome represented in the flowchart. Take your time when editing the text so that every step communicates the correct information. Resize and reposition the flowchart elements to keep the layout organized and easy to read.